Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Just down at Catty Chelmsford today, and we're going to go and pick up a bike today and hopefully have a look at it, maybe get a ride of it. It's an RD250. Let's go Canvey.
Go Canvey, bruv. Cockles and mussels.
Oh no, I don't like cockles and mussels.
Do you not?
Do you like seafood like that?
I like cockles.
Do you?
Yeah.
What's the difference between cockles and mussels?
There's a different species.
I know they're different, but taste-wise.
Like vinegar, you have them with vinegar.
Oh,
bread and butter.
Yeah, but I don't like the thought of them in my mouth.
There's plenty of things that better been in your mouth.
Is this as fast as this goes, yeah?
Well, I don't want to wipe out like 100 grand's worth of bike. You caught me.
I caught you daydreaming about it. Well, it's a lovely day.
It's a good day. Good day to be out for the day. 3/4 of a tank. Let's just keep driving.
Yeah. Money in your pocket. Got a van. All we need now is our passport. We'd have a nice fucking weekend in Spain.
What are you done with the sat-nav?
Hold on.
I don't know where we're going now.
Why is
The thing
she
is,
talking?
we're there at 9:30 this evening.
Yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
I can't have her.
Can't shut a woman up. Once she starts, there's no off switch. It's easier to turn them off than turn them on.
Lovely day today.
What a beautiful day.
Bit of mist. You know much about RD250s?
I know a fair amount. Depends on the year.
I think it's something like 78 or something.
Oh, is it? It's going to be a winter project. I wonder if he's got anything else.
What, like tea and biscuits?
See that?
Yeah. What was that? You had one of them when you was a kid, I suppose, didn't you?
Passed my testing one. Does it feel seasidey now?
No.
No.
It's a busy old place, Canvey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to try it all out first?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we just...
Obviously, I won't be using the book no more, so you want to...
Yeah, that helps.
Oh, yeah.
It does help, yeah, because what we're going to do is I think that we're going to do like a winter project on it, to get it up and going. Did you ride it at all?
Yeah.
You rode it, yeah.
Let's take it for a run.
Well, I'll run it up the road and check. Yeah. 17 again.
Yeah.
Yeah. No crash helmet.
Riding down the
250 amp.
road.
They pull all right.
Looking out for the old bill.
Do you want a cup of tea before you go?
I don't mind.
Yeah.
I think it'd be rude not to.
Yeah. That's why by 300 cents there. Probably ties me pumping up the...
Well, there's a few little bits, but we'll get that sorted. Do you want to just push from the
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll push from the back.
Push from
in
the
case
back.
you drop the camera.
That's all. You happy?
Nice day, eh?
Alright then, ta-da.
Yeah, cheers,
later.
mate. See ya. Well, that was Canvey, wasn't it?
That was the journey and the story.
And now we're back.
And now we're back.
Are we going to get the RD out first, or are we going to eat first?
We're going to use the facilities first. We're going to order the food.
Oh, fucking hell. Is that our demo?
Don't know. He's making sure it works though.
Fucking hell, was he?
His teeth nearly fell out.
You know, doing stoppies down by my wizards, making sure it works. We're back now, look.
Back, they're all here.
They're all here. They're all there, look. Started it up, had a little ride up the road, Paul did.
My God's good. Some bands then or what?
Yeah. Started up, Paul rode it up the road, checked all the gears.
Wheel rims are good, front mudguard's good. Going in some bands, bro. It's got some fuel in it.
Big Matt, because Matt and I are probably pretty much the same age, you know, so...
Pretty much, give or take 15 years or so. You're old enough to be his father.
Loose, I need something.
Yeah, what do you need?
Jokes aside,
Breakfast.
is that
Yeah, I'm going to have breakfast. With
I
black pudding.
just had,
I'd say that.
I just had a biker's
still
back.
polished
And
up?
it was the tits.
Did you have black pudding in the biker's back?
Yeah!
Black pudding.
Of course, she's got a potty mouth, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Right, Luce?
Yeah,
Filthy mare.
Yeah.
That's what you are.
And she's at the back too.
Don't listen to him.
Dirty mare with dirty feet. Not today.
Oh, you ain't got dirty feet
no,
today?
not today. So you gonna have breakfast? Big one, small one?
Just a small one. I'll tell you what I'll have. Instead, I don't want sausage, Joe.
Yeah.
Just today.
I want black pudding. And not toast, and I think I want fried bread.
Yep.
That's an aftermarket seat cover. I know when it ain't a proper Yamaha one, is it? Come on then, get on it. Start getting all sweaty. Let's see you kick it.
You go on, let's have it running.
I was going to say, with
I'll ride it.
having a leather seat, would that encourage you to ride it naked?
See, I think that sounds nuts.
Yeah.
Have all the appropriate safety gear on.
It's got oil light up, is that right?
It smells lovely.
You happy with that?
Always happy with one of them. I've got the old rats out of it. Nice little engine. Slow, but sounds lovely.
Sounded, I can hear you come round, it does sound enough.
Sounded nice, yeah. All the big puffs of smoke and that.
Yeah.
About quarter to
What?
11.
Hold on a minute, what, you've ate yours already?
Yeah, you've been ages. I
Yeah, I've been on the phone with my sister.
tucked into yours.
Look at that.
There's a drink there.
I'm going to eat this, and then I'm going to ride the bike. You want to check what?
You want it then? Lower it up.
I did two last night, but
What, 2 lines?
2 lines.
Right, so what we doing? You're going to ride the Street Fighter,
If I won the lottery, I bet somebody else can ride it.
and I'm going to ride this. Check what this is alright. With me what?
I'll be on that, but I don't know if I'll be able to keep up with you.
Well, I'm not going, what, with them fucking tyres? Look at that. There's a key in it. Where's the key? Is the fuel on? Have you checked it's got oil?
It's got oil, it's got petrol, it's got air. Don't need a key, it's got a nollie stick in it. It's got a bit of a loose ring, I think, but
Well, we'll see. Right, so this is going to be a restoration bike. As you say, it needs a few bits done on it. Brakes ain't too bad, considering some of the old bikes I've been riding. I don't like a bike with no mirrors, especially when I've got another bike behind me. But the seat's really nice and comfy. Don't really know what this person's doing. Let's go round them. Really, there's something on the front of the bike that probably needs addressing. Right, so this bike, I think he said it's a 1978 RD250c. Actually, for one of these classic bikes, it's quite comfy. The rear suspension's quite comfy on it. You still got that classic bike feel of the vibration through the handlebars. Not through the pegs too much though. The pegs are quite good. So yeah, we're going to just have a little ride of this and just check in everything works alright. Do the indicators work? Everything seems to work alright. Let's see where Paul is. There goes Paul. The front forks feel empty. I can see when Matt rode it, he said it feels like the wheel's going to fall off or hanging off or something. It has got that kind of feeling about it. But still, what do you want? It's a classic motorcycle. I'm on the RD250 and he's on this. My favourite. When I rode the RD350 LC, I love the RD350. These are obviously a lot more dated than them, than the 250.
smooth and peachy. You've got some air in the tyres now.
That's alright, goes alright, stops alright. Actually, for a classic bike, the brakes are better than most that I've ridden of his. Well, so that was collecting the RD250 that's going to be restored. Maybe it's going to go back to the original colour, not sure yet, which I think was blue. So we'll do another video on this bike when it's done. But yeah, as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
What do you think?
What you got?
I've got some pre-workout powder.
Yeah.
Right. Which,
what sort of workout?
well, it's for weight training, but I'll use it before I go boxing.
Weight training.
Why are
Yeah,
you
so
taking
what
the piss? Why are you taking the piss?
Right, so come on, tell me about it. So you've had it and it freaked you out.
It didn't freak me out. It made me feel a bit funny.
It made you feel funny. What? You was going to have a heart attack? You was going to pass out?
Felt
Jittery?
Yeah, I felt a bit jittery.
Jittery.
I know now why I felt jittery.
Why?
Because I had a coffee before.
Right, well I've had 2 coffees this morning. Right, so what do I have? How many spoonfuls? Well, you just eat it.
No, you don't eat it. See, it's a mixed powder. You can't
So,
inject
hold on.
it or snort it.
One of
Alright.
them, hold on, one of them
One of them mixed with.
is like 5 cups of coffee. Yeah. Well, that's it. I thought this was going to be some crazy shit he was giving me.
No, I'm not giving you crack. Mix it, cup of water, drink it, see how you feel. I would just want to know if it was me that was feeling.
What, like, just because of like old age stuff?
You fuckers all.
What's with the jumper? Who gave you that?
I don't know, it might not affect you, Martin, but
Yeah.
I think now.
Fuck me, some days I drink 10 cans of Red Bull. What flavour is it? It's got to be hot water.
No, it's cold water.
Oh,
You mix it, you do what you want.
load it up. That's it.
That's it. Mix it with water, and I want a minute by minute account.
Oh, it's just like,
What it did was, I'll tell you what it made me feel.
hold on. It is actually, are you sure you drink this stuff?
It made me feel sort of tingly.
I can smell it, taste the fruit. I just drank a chocolate milkshake as well.
I think you might vomit. What it did was it made me feel a bit tingly, edgy, within 10 minutes.
Well, I feel edgy anyway. It's like a cold lemon sip.
Well, you won't get cold then.
I think I've got a cold.
Jump up and down a bit.
I don't really need to taste of it. The problem is with that stuff, gritty, it's fruity, and it looks like
You can go and do
coolant. Looks like I've had some winter coolant in me. I could go out on a bike today in this cold weather. Hey, what time is it now? The time is 10 to 10.
Well, let me know.
I'll let you know at 10 o'clock.
Well, let us know.
I will, and if nothing happens in 10 minutes, I'll eat a spoonful of it.
I'm just reading the side effects of it, funny enough.
Yeah, what's the side effect?
So half a liver.
Oh,
Shut up.
that stuff is right up my street.
No, don't say that. It made everybody appear taller to me.
I think since you've had it, you've shrunk.
He's lost weight.
He's lost weight. He's actually lost 2 inches of bone in his legs. Oh, do you know what? Got a tingly feeling over my
Oh,
head.
shut up.
Let's see what happens, eh? So first off, I feel prickly.
That's what I felt.
Like, I feel prickly over my head and my shoulders.
That's what I felt. Tell Andy.
Like, I mean, I feel like...
Like there's ants or things
Yeah,
like that.
what is that?
Oh, God, I told you.
What I will say is... What I will say is, I feel prickly all over.
You look prickly all over.
No, I mean, I feel real prickly. Do you think I should go and do some chin-ups?
I think you should.
Yeah, I can feel it on my ears.
I know.
It's like that.
That was the worrying thing.
Nothing inside, it's on my skin.
Pupils as well.
I feel like I'm going to get knocked out.
When I took it just before I trained, and he made me do loads of press-ups and stuff like that. And
Well, I'm not going to be doing nothing. This could last all day.
No, it won't last. That'll disperse.
It's literally like your skin's on
Isn't it
fire.
weird? It's weird, isn't it?
I'll tell you what it feels like. You know, sometimes if you go on a beach and you get really burnt and you've been in and out of the sea, and then you put your t-shirt on and get in your car, that prickly feeling.
Yeah.
That's what it's like all down your back,
You
your
look
arms,
like that's what's happened as well. He looks like
my head, my ear rolls, and now it's on my arsehole.
good.
Can you have a look at that? No, but the prickliness is going there.
Yeah.
It's just a double vision.
And I didn't know whether it was me, but I've given something to him.
Look at the colour of it.
Yeah, but should you have that stuff after drinking Red Bull?
Probably fucking not.
I'm gonna have to take my trousers off now. Right, your turn. Have some.
Excessive caffeine for me gives me torrential diarrhoea, so I can't have it.
Torrential.
Phone the doctors. You're right, sir. No, I've got torrential diarrhoea.